Hello my dear students, in this video we are going to study other functions in a class. First one, inline functions. A function call is generally involves a complex process like invoking a function, passing parameters to the functions and allocating storage locations for the local variables. Thereby it consumes more amount of time and memory space. This overhead can be avoided by using inline functions. The inline function is a short function. Compiler replaces a function call with the body of the function definition. Now let us study the advantages of inline functions. The first advantage is the inline functions are compact function calls. The second advantage is therefore size of the object code is considerably reduced. The third advantage is the speed of execution of the program increases. And the fourth one is very efficient code can be generated. And the fifth one is the readability of the program increases. Now let us study the disadvantages of using inline functions. As the body of inline function is substituted in place of a function call, the size of executable file increases and more memory is needed. Now let us take a programming example to find the square of a number using inline functions. Here you can see I have already written in a single line comment finding the square of a number using inline functions. So I have already written the preprocessor directives, that is #include iostream.h, #include conio.h. Now we are going to use the keyword inline, then we are going to write return type int and the name of the function as square, and inside the round bracket I'm going to pass only one argument, that is int a, and we are going to define it by using curly open brace, and here it should return integer type of value, so that is square of the entered number, that is a into a gives me the square of this particular number, curly closing brace. Then we are going to write main function. Then here I'm going to declare two variables of type integer, that is x and y. Then I'm going to initialize the value of square of a entered number to x. So here I'll call this function square and I'm going to pass the argument as 5 to this particular function. So it is going to initialize to the variable x. Now I want to print the value stored in x. So here I'm going to write square of 5 because we have inserted value 5. So is equal to, here I'm going to write the value of x, and we will take one more variable to initialize with a different value. So that is y is equal to, we'll call the same function one more time with a different argument. For example, here I'm going to enter 10 and put semicolon. Again I want to print the value stored in y, that is square of 10, that is 100. So it is going to display 100. So square of 10 is equal to, here the value is stored in y. So then put semicolon, then write get ch curly closing brace. Now compile by pressing Alt F9. You can see here it is success, there is no error. Press enter, then Control F9 to execute the program. Here you can see clearly the square of 5 is equal to 25 and square of 10 is equal to 100. Here is an important note about inline functions. Inline function may not work sometimes for one of the following reasons. The first one is the inline function is too long or complicated. The inline function has looping structure. The inline function is recursive. The inline function has switch or go to statements. That's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. We will see you in the next video.